You know your kids are Minnesotans when they've been waiting for the snow to get back outside.
I've been going outside for a long time. I've been running out.
They've been waiting. There we go. You guys.
Where's it at though? Where's the snow at? Maybe God was saving it.
Oh, God was making you appreciate it, Rowan.
Yeah.
There you go.
My God. Thank you so much for the snow.
If you want to jump off. Jeez. You jumping off, Everly?
Yeah.
Come on.
Can you move?
Come on, you'll be fine. Jeez.
Can I go on Everly's
Come on, man.
Can you a little boost?
Oh, Luna, you're on that? Do you want Dada to push you a little bit?
Yeah, I'll go on that.
Oh, you got to get your gloves.